So if I were to go around and then open up Thunderbird right here, then what happens is that this is what you see. I can go ahead and enable out the start page in Thunderbird by going on to the Go menu right here and by choosing Mail Start Page right here. If I were to go around and pull this up, then this is what you have. You got the start page right here. So each time I go ahead and let's say, for example, close and open up this particular application right here, then you see the start page right here. But let's say I want to go ahead and change the start page. In that case, you can go around onto the tools menu and then you can go around under settings. So once you go around under settings, this is what you have. You got the Thunderbird start page right here. So now let's say I want to go ahead and change this out. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and type in www. Let's say, for example, google.com right here as the start page right here. So let's just go around, say http:// right here, just like this. So now whenever Thunderbird actually starts, it'll show that particular start page in the message area. So let me just go around and close this, and you can see around under settings that this is the start page now. So let me just go around and close and open up Thunderbird right here. Then you'll be able to see that this is the start page now, just like this. So instead of anything else, you see the start page around over here. You can go ahead and restore it out to default right here, and then you can go ahead and close and double click on the Thunderbird right here, and now you can see that the start page changes out again right here to the default one. And that is how you can utilize the Thunderbird start page inside of Thunderbird. So if you guys learned something, as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.